On the Facebook homepage, locate the left-hand menu and find the Group section. Click on the Group tab to access the group page. Enter the name of your group in the provided field. Make sure the name is clear and relevant to the group's purpose. Add members. You can start typing the names of friends you want to add to the group. You can also choose to make the group public, closed, or secret based on your preferences. Customize the privacy settings. Select the privacy settings that best suit the group's purpose and confidentiality level. Click on the Create button to create your new Facebook group. Upload a group photo or choose an existing image that represents the group well. This helps members identify the group easily. Write a detailed description of your group to let potential members know its purpose and rules. Review all the information you have added, including the group name, members, privacy settings, description, and group photo. After creating the group, you can further customize the settings such as group rules, membership questions, post approval settings, and more to manage the group effectively. Begin posting engaging content, discussions, announcements, and events to kickstart the group activity and attract more members.